Did you know your breakfast is basically a physics concert? When you pour milk, those famous snap, crackle, and pop are not magic. Each puffed cereal piece is a tiny balloon, baked with delicate air chambers inside. As milk rushes in, surface tension pulls liquid through microscopic pores by capillary action. That traps and then squeezes pockets of air, which push back and expand violently. The expanding bubbles press on brittle starch walls, which suddenly fracture and release pressure. Every fracture sends out a pressure wave, and your ears hear a crisp snap. Many nearby cracks overlap, flutter, and fade, and together they produce that fizzy crackle. When a larger cavity finally fails, its burst rings out as a bright pop. It is acoustic physics in a bowl, starring surface tension, pressure differences, and brittle failure. So listen closely at breakfast, because your cereal is broadcasting tiny explosions of expanding bubbles. Your spoon is basically a microphone, amplifying a chorus of microbursts through the milk. Now you know that every playful sound is physics, snapping awake before your first bite.